Hi everyone, today I'm going to show my expression funded project in Teachable Machine. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show my expression finder project in Teachable. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show my Hello everyone. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show my expression finder project in Teachable Machine. So first I'm going to give my happy expression. Hi everyone, I'm going to show my expression finder project today. So first I'll give my happy expression. Okay, let's give my angry expression. Yeah, it's finding my angry expression. So my crying expression. Yeah, it's finding my crying expression also. So let me go with sad expression. Yeah, it's finding my sad expression also. Once again, a happy expression. Yeah, it's finding my happy expression also. So it's working properly. Thank you.